This is HOVERAir X1 PRO drone, and today I'll show how you can remove it from your HOVERAir X1 app account. So to start, you will need to pick up your mobile phone and launch the HOVERAir X1 app. Now, of course, make sure that your drone is connected to the app, then select the hover section. Here tap at the hover settings, scroll all the way to the bottom, press remove from account and confirm. There is also a second way you can remove the drone from your app account by going into the Me section, opening the My Hover, selecting the drone you would like to erase, and then press at the remove from account button here, confirm. And that should be it. Let's double check. Yep, indeed, the drone has been unlinked and removed from this particular account. And well, that will be it for this video, so thanks for watching and bye bye.